YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today we're going to talk about some XRP. We got to talk about Bitcoin, right? Coming in at a 78 as well as the market. But before we get into that, guys, I just got to let you guys know that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J, and we just talking about news and again XRP and Bitcoin. So let's talk about it. We'll also talk about kind of where I feel like a little bit we're at in the cycle. As you guys can see, Bitcoin coming in at a 78.5 right now, seeing some big massive sell-off in the market today. We were concerned about how the market would open because again we were lacking in volume over the weekend, and then again we were concerned about how the market would open. So the market opened not good, red, right? The entire NASDAQ bleeding today. It's not just crypto, guys, it's the entire market right now not doing so hot. So a lot of fear, a lot of people selling, panic selling. But I'll tell you one thing that people are not panic selling very much, and that's XRP, which actually I'm pretty surprised that XRP is holding so well through this Bitcoin consolidation, because again XRP is at a point right now where I could really see some heavy sell-off, and maybe we still can, you know, if we start trending below this $2, maybe this might see some significant sell-off. But I'm just really surprised that XRP hasn't broken down too much yet, and the fact that these guys are holding so strong right now, only down 2% at the time of the video. And there's a lot of news too coming out in crypto, but it's just seeming like not a lot of stuff is able to pump the markets. A lot of speculation also, people thinking like, oh, maybe Trump's trying to, you know, crash the market so that we can get a lower interest rate. A lot of, again, speculation and stuff like that. But you guys could see MicroStrategy planning on buying $21 billion worth of more of Bitcoin. So again, these whales are accumulating. You guys could see more and more things going on as far as ETFs and stuff like that. And also CZ stating just not too long ago too, he says, you know, some people say, oh, he's so lucky he bought Bitcoin so early. Well, this is a feeling now of the pain that we had to endure many times before too. Hold is never easy. It's true. It's true. Holding is never easy, guys. And a lot of you guys already know that, because a lot of you guys, this is not your first cycle if you've been holding XRP. And so you just kind of pretty much already know how this goes as far as Bitcoin being volatile and going up and going down, and then price going up and down. It just is how it is. But at the same time, guys, we are so early in cryptocurrency right now. In my opinion, it's crazy to paper hands out of something like XRP, because XRP is a blue chip. It's already gone so far just this year in terms of adoption. I mean, it's definitely a project that I'm going to be accumulating. I'm taking advantage of all these cheaper prices. And honestly, I do think that we could probably see XRP flipping Ethereum on this next leg. And again, I don't think that this cycle's over. I think that we still have room. So you guys could see our stock to flow is still intact right now. In my opinion, we could still see an altcoin cycle happen. A lot of bullish indicators still on some long-term time intervals. In the short term, yeah, we might see, you know, some sell-off maybe going into the next couple of weeks, or maybe even possibly the next couple of months. But at the same time, this seems like a zone of accumulation, and that is why, again, you know, you guys could see every time that we've been in this orange, right? It's kind of been a zone to be accumulating, not a bad zone to accumulate, right? Especially when we go just from red to orange and we do see consolidation. It's not a straight parabolic run. Right here, it was kind of a parabolic run, but again, it's normally not. It's normally some consolidation. I do think that this cycle is a lot similar to that 2016, 2017. A lot of people are drawing similarities to this that, you know, happened. I'll show you kind of why I'm drawing those similarities. As you guys could see, a couple different indicators are all flashing similar to what was flashing back then. You guys could see every time on this beam indicator we've gone down below here, it's been kind of a long opportunity for a lot of people, and then up here again, short zone, right? But when we're in this red, we've been known to consolidate, right? Even right here, you know, we touch up and we have this retest of this low before we shoot up. We could even see something happen like this. I said that before. This is 2020, 2021. This is during our COVID cycle, but I really feel like it's more similar to this 2016, 2017 cycle, where again, we see this chop right before a big run up There's a lot of bullish things that can be the catalyst to this, but at the same time, we do know in these zones of accumulation that these guys are looking for the cheapest prices possible, and they're going to make it happen. So as you guys could see, haven't broken down also on our pie cycle either. Looking very similar to 2016, 2017, right? How we cut through that 111-day moving average and then had this big parabolic run. Same type of thing, right? We're still cutting through our moving average, even though we're seeing a lot of heavy volatility. We're seeing retail sell. We're seeing these guys, these big investors accumulate. Guys, what's new? These guys have been doing this. They always do this to us. So in my opinion, right now we're seeing some great prices. We might even possibly see some better prices because again, Bitcoin might see some sell off. We might sell all the way down to even like the 70K range. I wouldn't be surprised. And if we do, we could see cheaper prices in the market. But again, I'm long on this space. I definitely think that 2025 can still play out very favorable for Bitcoin. I think that, you know, Q1 sell-off is very normal. We see sell-off in Q1 a lot of the time. So I'm not too scared by this. And yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. We're going to keep covering it. Again, if it's your first time tapping in, I am on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. I'm going to keep giving you guys updates up to the hour, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.